This is a review of the Lixada Wood Burning Backpacker Stove. These little stoves take up virtually no space in your pack, they don't weigh much, and they're very intriguing to me because they eliminate the need for fuel canisters or alcohol. They simply burn twigs and sticks. Now before we get into footage from the field, just a reminder to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. It's an easy way to support the channel. I appreciate every one of them. This little stove, if you can see, doesn't take much space, right? So size is a huge plus. I have seen a lot of videos online with these as well where people have struggled to use them. I think you're going to be surprised when you see the footage that I got on the first time I used it, because boiled water, no problem, cooked breakfast, no problem, and really impressed me. The weight on this particular stove is 4 ounces, so it's 1/4 of a pound, and it's the stainless steel version. So there's also an aluminum version, which is lighter. There's a titanium version, which is lighter, a little more expensive. But the stove you're going to see right here is actually linked in my description, so if you want to take a look, go check that out. All right, let's put this thing together. It's going to be the front of the stove. That way we can see which way to put the sides and the back. It's a lot easier when I'm not trying to do it for a camera. Okay. So it's a little tricky to put together, not too bad. And it rained last night. Everything out here is pretty wet. But I'm going to go ahead and try to get it started. Man, this stuff is too wet. Well, we're going good now. It seems like that wood's going. I'm going to put the water on. See if we can't get that to boil. It's been about 2 minutes, and we're getting little bubbles at the bottom already. Get my cup ready. Honestly, kind of surprised how well this works. So as these sticks burn, I'm just kind of pushing them in. That water's starting to boil, guys. It hadn't even been 5 minutes. That's crazy. What's funny is I've seen people online with these things try to boil water. They're going 12 minutes, 20 minutes. Here we are 5 in and we're getting water to boil. We got boiling water. So that was just under 5 minutes to get a soft boil. I mean, that's a hard boil. All right. All right, so to finish this up, let's try to cook a little bacon.
Well, guys, this bacon's coming along good. It's going to be done here real soon. You know, this is my first time using this thing, this stove. So it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve as far as how hot you want it, how do you keep it stoked. But so far, it's working real well. All right, well, this bacon is pretty much done. Just give it a second more. All right, let's pull this stuff off here. I don't drop everything. All right. So, bacon is cooked up nice. Coffee in about 5 minutes. I'm gonna say that thing's good. Lixada stove, check.
So as you see in that footage, this little stove works really well. It surprised me that it could boil water that fast. I had no idea I could cook that easily on it. And with some practice, it's going to be a real asset to my backpacking gear. I'm going to start using it going forward until there's another fire ban, at which point, back to the canister stove. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.